So hello everyone, in this video I'm talking all about Invideo video editor. So in this video I'm talking about how you can create video ads using Invideo. So this is the home screen of Invideo, and here as you can see there are different options here. This is the pre-made templates, text to video and blank canvas. So for video ads we are just going to type here video ads here, and here we will get some pre-made templates here. Okay, so we'll just search for video ads, and as you can see there are like around 900 templates, ready-made templates available. So once you scroll down, like there are variety of options here. As you can see, this is 16:9. This is basically for YouTube. This is for 1:1, that is for Instagram. This is 9:16, so that is for YouTube Shorts, TikTok. Okay, so as you scroll down here, as you can see there are lots of templates here. So whether you are a real estate agent, or if you want to promote a phone, or maybe shoes, or yoga classes, watch, as you can see, like there are lots and lot of templates here. So once you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the ready-made templates here. As you can see, this is the medical services. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick up a random template from here, and I'll show you how you can create, how you can edit this video ad according to your need. Okay, so I'll use this template. Okay, so as you can see, so this is the main video editor, and on the left hand side there are like multiple options like uploads, videos, images, music, text, logo, colors and folders. And also if you want to change any template from here, you can change it from here also. So as you can see, so the template options is available here also. So now as you can see, so this is the main editor and this is the timeline. Okay, so here as you can see there are three scenes: scene 1, scene 2 and scene 3. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just go scene by scene from here, and first of all we'll just delete this one, the logo. Okay, so once you click on this, just click on delete and the keyboard, and it will remove from all scenes. Okay, so if you want to add your custom logo, you can add it here. So I'll just click on remove from all scenes. Okay, so the logo is gone. So now if you want to edit the scenes, individual scenes, there are 3 scenes here. So we'll just play and see. Okay, so as you can see, we'll edit this video ad from here. Okay, so suppose I come on the scene 2 here, and if I want to change few points here, so I'll just click on this. Okay, so once you click on this, you'll be able to edit this one. Suppose if I want to edit here 24 hours, quick appointments, care, health. Okay, so if I want anything like say doctors, okay, I'll use the same font here. Doctors on call. Okay, so this is done. So I'll just drag it. Okay, so according to your need, you can just edit the video ad from here. Okay, so once this is done, so suppose if you want to edit few other things also in this another scene. As you can see, if you want to edit your contact number here, you just have to click on this here, and you can just enter your contact details. You can enter your website, you can enter your mail ID. Okay, and if you want to replace this logo, you can just click on delete button. Once this is done, you'll be able to remove from all the scenes here. And if you want to add your custom logo, you can definitely add your custom logo from here. You just have to upload it from here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just change the music here. Okay, I'll just delete this one. Okay, once that is done, I'll replace the music. So as you can see, there are like multiple options here. You can add like hundreds of music here. Okay, I'll just click on this plus icon, and this music will be added here. Okay, so that's all, guys. So as you can see, this Invideo is a powerful video editor, as well as you can create video ads in this Invideo software. So I hope you liked the video. So if you haven't checked the Invideo software yet, there is a link in the description. You can just check their website and you will get to know whether it's the right fit for you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.